Get ready to unleash the full potential of your brand. Today, we're diving deep into the art of creating powerful marketing videos that captivate your audience and elevate your brand. We'll go through 5 different ways that you can use Riverside to transform your ideas into visually stunning narratives. Before we get into it, what is Riverside? Riverside.fm is a platform that allows you to record high-quality, professional video and audio directly from your browser. It offers seamless recording for things like podcast episodes, remote interviews, video testimonials, case studies, presentations, webinars, and so much more. It also has a user-friendly editor that you can use to edit your videos directly on the platform. With Riverside, you can elevate your brand by creating impactful marketing videos that captivate your audience. I'll link a full walkthrough of the platform above so you can get a feel for it before you dive in. Now, the quickest and most efficient way to create marketing videos is by creating one long-form video and repurposing that video into shorter clips. This allows you to record for, let's say, 1 hour and get a month's worth of content for your brand. Short clips of videos recorded on Riverside are extremely easy to create with Riverside's Magic Clips feature. After recording your content on Riverside, simply use the Magic Clips feature and Riverside will take the most interesting, engaging, and informative parts of your recording and turn them into short clips optimized for posting on social media right away, or you have the option to edit them to fit your brand. So keep in mind the ease of creating short clips of these 5 types of long-form videos that we're about to talk about. All right, marketing video type 1, video testimonials. When it comes to promoting your product or service, nothing is more powerful than a genuine testimonial from your satisfied customer. Your happy customers can become your best advocates, and their experiences can help build trust and credibility for your brand. Start by finding a customer who's willing to share their experience with your brand and invite them to have a conversation and capture their heartfelt reactions and authentic stories. With Riverside, you can easily record these conversations in crystal clear quality, ensuring that the emotions and messages come through effectively. By showcasing these testimonials, you can create a connection with your audience and demonstrate the value and the benefits of your product or service. You can turn these video testimonials into TikToks or Reels, as well as post the long-form version to your Facebook page or YouTube channel. Number 2 is case studies. Case studies are an effective way to demonstrate expertise and showcase the real-world impact of a product or service. They can provide a detailed account of how your business successfully addressed a specific issue, offering evidence of competence and reliability. To create impactful case study videos, consider inviting a past customer to share their experience of how your product or service positively impacted their life. Through a conversation with the customer, capture their insights, challenges faced, and the outcomes achieved. By presenting these comprehensive case studies, you can establish credibility, build trust, and showcase the value that your brand brings to its customers. Again, you can take the best parts of these recordings and make them into either short form or long form videos. Number 3 is thought leadership videos. So in addition to showcasing your products or services, you can provide additional value to your audience by inviting experts in your niche to join you for an interview. This allows them to share insightful perspectives on the products or services that you are selling. By recording these interviews, you can create engaging, informative content for your audience. For example, if you are a fitness brand, you can invite a renowned fitness expert to discuss the benefits of your products or services. During the interview, the expert can share their insights on how your offerings can help people achieve their fitness goals and lead a healthier lifestyle. By recording the interview, you can create a video that not only promotes your brand, but also provides valuable information and guidance to your audience. You can post the full-length interview on platforms like YouTube, allowing viewers to dive deep into the discussion. And to reach a wider audience, you can also create medium clips from the interview and upload them to YouTube with links back to your full interview. These medium clips serve as teasers, enticing the viewers to watch the entire interview. To further expand your reach, you can extract short clips from the interview and share them on Instagram and TikTok. These bite-sized snippets offer quick, digestible insights that can capture the attention of your audience on social media platforms. By incorporating these interview-based videos into your marketing strategy, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry, provide valuable information to your audience, and create a stronger connection with your potential customers. Number 4 is live webinars. What about connecting with your audience in real time? Try out this tactic with Riverside's live streaming feature. You can give your audience a link to watch your recording on Riverside, and you can engage with your audience, answer their questions, and provide valuable insights on the spot. This interactive experience allows you to build a stronger connection with your audience, fostering trust and loyalty. After hosting a successful live webinar, you can repurpose the recorded content to reach an even wider audience. Take advantage of Riverside's user-friendly editor to edit and enhance your webinar recording. Then, repurpose the content for platforms like YouTube and other social media sites. Number 5 is product demonstrations. Try creating captivating product demonstration videos that truly showcase the key features and benefits of your products or services. By guiding your audience through the functionalities and highlighting its value, you can help them understand how your product or services can solve their problems and meet their needs. These videos allow your audience to visualize the potential of your product and make informed decisions. Remember to keep your product demonstration videos concise and focused. Highlight the most important aspects of your product and explain how it addresses the pain points of your target audience. Use clear and concise language, avoiding technical jargon that may confuse or alienate your viewers. Creating impactful marketing videos is crucial for elevating your brand and connecting with your audience. With Riverside, you have the tools to record high-quality videos and audio, allowing you to capture genuine testimonials, showcase compelling case studies, invite thought leaders for insightful interviews, host engaging live webinars, and create captivating product demonstrations. So start elevating your brand today by harnessing the power of Riverside to create impactful marketing videos that capture your audience, leave a lasting impression, and drive the success of your business. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching this one. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you in our next one.